Okay, so what I'm going to go through with you just now is I'm going to go through price before percentage changes. Okay, so some people have been a little bit struggling with this, so I'll see, hopefully I can explain it. So we have a this that was increased by 10%, the price of it was increased by 10%, and you're trying to work out what it was before the increase occurred. Okay, so our increase was by 10% to £121. Now an increase by 10% is 100, it's 100%, so the value of it plus 10% equals 110%. So £121 is this increase. So 110% equals £121. Okay? Now, you need to work out, if 110% is equal to £121, you need to work out what 10% is to take it away from 121. Okay, so I need to work out what 10% is if I've got 110%. Now, hopefully, you'll be able to see that to get from 110 to 10, I divide by 11. Okay, hopefully you can see that. If not, you might have to see what you can divide by. This is all, it'll always be done in this way. What do you need to divide by to get down to this number here? Okay, but just like kind of with algebra and everything like that, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So if I divide this side by 11 as well, 121 divided by 11 is just 11. Okay, so 10% is equal to 11. So to get my price before the change, if 10% is 11, and this was increased by 10%, I need to do 121, take away 11, which is 110. Okay, so it'll be £110 before the price changed. Hopefully that makes a bit more sense now. Okay, it'll always be some kind of dividing to get down to whatever you need to. It might be getting down to 1%, it might be getting down to 5%, something like that. It will just be one calculation that you need to do to be able to get down. Hopefully it'll be easy for you and you'll be able to see it straight away. If not, you might just have to work it out. Okay. Now, next, we've got a car that was decreased by 25% to that number. Okay. We're trying to work out the price before the change. So in this case here, with an increase of 10, I added 10 on. Here, this is a decrease by 25. So I do 100%, take away this time 25%, which gives me 75%. Okay, so 75% is equal to 1875. Okay, so 75% is equal to 1875. Now I need to get to 25% here. So you need to have a little think, how do I get from 75% to 25%? Okay, all you need to do for that is divide it by 3. Now I'm not expecting you to be able to divide that by 3 in your head, but hopefully it makes sense. Whatever I do to this side, I need to do to that side. So 1875 divided by 3 is 625. Okay? And then all you need to do is do 1875, okay, which the car was decreased by 25%, so I now need to add 625 on. And you can do that without a calculator, but you'll probably just use one. So don't worry too much, but I'll just add them together here. So that becomes a 0, or 1 there, 9 add the 1 is another 10, 8 add the 6 is 14, that's 15. Another 1 there, and that becomes £2,500 was the price before the decrease. Okay, hopefully that makes a bit more sense. Again, let me know if you really don't understand any of what I just said. Okay.